Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with Business with Professor T, and today we're going to be talking about the different types of current bank accounts. The four types of current bank accounts are a basic current account, a standard current account, a premium current account, and a student current account. So what is a current account? A current account is a bank or building society account that is typically accessed on a day-to-day basis from which money may be withdrawn without any notice. So starting off, we have the basic current account. These types of current accounts will be aimed at people who could be facing some sort of financial difficulties. A basic current account is free and offers a reduced level of features than you would expect from a standard current account. The typical features that will not be included in the basic current accounts are no interest on balance, no cash book, and no overdraft facilities. So now we look at the advantages and drawbacks of a basic current account. We start off with the advantages. It is free to open. It provides a range of banking facilities and it enables banking access to all. The drawbacks are it has restricted banking facilities, no overdraft or checkbook, no interest paid on balance. Moving on to standard current accounts. These accounts are typically free current accounts that most customers receive. These accounts typically offer free banking, so you would be entitled to a debit card, a checkbook, and sometimes overdraft. You are able to set up a direct debit and a standing order from these types of accounts. However, you get offered no additional extras. Now we evaluate the advantages and drawbacks of a standard current account. So the first advantage is it's free to open. It provides a range of banking facilities available to all age group. The drawbacks are it doesn't offer additional features. Bank charges can be expensive, low rates on interest paid. Now looking at the premium current accounts, these types of current accounts will typically charge a monthly fee for use. These accounts typically offer all the services that you would expect from a standard current account. However, in addition, you would receive or you would be entitled to features such as roadside assistance, mobile phone insurance, travel insurance, extended warranties on appliances, reduction in overdraft charges, and an improved rate on savings. So your interest rate would be better than if you had a standard current account. Evaluating the advantages and disadvantages of a premium current account, we start off with the advantages. You get an improved customer service. You are offered a wide range of additional features and improved rates on interest. The drawbacks are you have to pay a monthly membership fee. Not all features will be used, so in essence, you are wasting money on the features that you don't use, and you could still face additional bank charges. We now look at the final type of current account, which is a student current account. These types of current accounts typically will be aimed at students who are going to or studying at university. These accounts are free and offer all the features of a standard current account. However, they also tend to offer special incentives and rewards for students who open an account. Typical rewards and incentives that you would expect from a student current account is a student reward card, gifts and rewards, free overdraft, and cashback bonus. We now look to evaluate the advantages and drawbacks of a student current account, starting off with the advantages. It's free to open, it provides offers and rewards, and also reduction in borrowing fees. The drawbacks are only available for students, low interest paid on balance, possibility of high charges once account converts into a standard account or a premium account. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If I've earned your subscription, then hit the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.